Okay, Fish the Ozarks fans, it's officially fall. Coming down to do a little early fall fishing. We're going to drop shot and we're going to whopper plopper. Actually, the Chapo, Berkeley Chapo, but it is peaceful, quiet. We're past the busy season. Probably time to start working on the boat, but one step at a time. We're working on Co-Captain Angie's greenhouse, so we'll see where we're at. There we go. That's a drop shot bass right there. That is a drop shot bass right there. Come on. Get out of there. Am I in that? Oh, yep, no, he's in there. Okay. We gotta get him out. Come on. There we go. Tangled in all kinds of stuff. Got him. All right. First drop shot bass. We're going to be smart. We're going to get a net. We're going to get a net. If I can get a net, we're not going to get a net. So this is going to be tricky. We're going to get down on the ground. We're going to get him the old-fashioned way. Okay, buddy. Come here. You're going to be my first drop shot bass. Come on. Participate. Participate, brother. Okay. We don't want to break the tip of this rod. This is a special rod. This is my buddy Eric. Eric's dad's rod. So we're going to get right down in here. We're going to get him by the lip. Yes, baby. Yes, sir. I love it. First drop shot bass. Now I did have another drop shot fish, and my drop shot's a mess. But that is a legit drop shot bass catch, and got him right in the top of the lip the way you want to. And that's, I mean, he's thin. You know, it's end of the season. He's going to fatten up, but that's a good, probably 1.5 pound, 2 pound bass on the drop shot. All right. There we go. There we go. First real legit drop shot bass. Right off the crappie bed that Baja Bob put in. We're going to have to call him Chaparral Bob now, but legit, clean, right through the top of the lip, no problem. Drop shot, tangled up, we'll get that fixed. But that is beautimous. We love it. Big old honker mouth, a little skinny, but we'll take it all day long. All right, let's get a release. See you, bud. Right back where you were. I greatly appreciate the catch. Thank you, sir. Great looking fish. Sunset, back in the water. Whew. Love it. pushing my luck. So I already got one on the drop shot. I thought, one more throw. All right, we're cutting our losses. Got our first drop shot bass. I did catch a rock bass, so traditionally talking largemouth bass. Super impressed. Light tackle, super fun. That fish was dancing and putting on a show. Beautiful night. Thankful.